everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. My name is Sneha. So today's video is all about haul from a local terracotta market here in Hyderabad. I have got few ceramic pots and planters. I will show you guys each item which I have got and also be taking you on a virtual tour of that particular market. So hope you guys enjoy this video. As you can see, the whole setup is about the pots and the planters as well as the plants which I have got from a local nursery. So yes, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's begin.
So this is a clay wholesale market which is located in Nacharam. This place is called Govind's Terracotta and they sell all items ranging from home decor, gardening, ceramic pots and other items which are made of clay or terracotta. Further, when you explore, you will also find very beautiful idols of Ganesha and other gods. And also I must say the finishing of these products are really good. Since it is a wholesale market, you can also see there is a price difference between when you buy a product here versus you purchase from a retailer. There are also these earthen pots available which are used for storing water, especially during the summer. As you see, you find plenty of colorful jar for storage. Mostly they are for storing pickles. I also came across these Buddha planters and they range from 150 to 320 depending on the size. There are other pots in different shapes. These are very cute, and like this particular one here. This was for 120. So guys, since it's a wholesale market, these items are not very arranged and they are sort of dumped into these wooden crates. So if you are choosing something, you need to inspect for any cracks or any damages with the products. But the best part is there are plenty to choose from, and the smaller ones are really cute and they will fit into small places in your garden or balcony. And in this particular section, the planters were sold in sets and the range mostly was from 300 to 700 depending on the size you choose. I also found these bells in different colors which were really pretty. So guys, like I said earlier, there are plenty of shapes and sizes to choose from, and yeah, it is actually really tiring to go about and find the best one because to be honest, all of them are really good. So guys, these are the things which I got for my balcony garden. Let's check in detail what they are and what the prices are. So first up here is this green color round shaped planter, and I found it really cute, and mostly this can be placed somewhere on the desk, or you can place indoor plants in it. So I have got two of it. One is slightly lighter shade, and yeah, this was for 120 rupees. So this is a cup shaped planter, and this was again for 120 rupees. I found it really pretty, and mostly I will be planting a money plant in it. This one is a rabbit planter, and you guys see this is so lovely, and even this was for 200 rupees. So these ducks were available for 95 rupees, and I got it in pair and it looked really cute. Here you can see that this ceramic Buddha planter, this was priced at 320 rupees, and I think I got a pretty decent deal for a planter which is decent in size. So next up is this stand or a stool, which you could call it, and guys, I really found this very pretty, and maybe this could be used for decorating any of the planters which I have got, and this was for 650 rupees. Again, I feel that this is a very decent price for a stool or a stand which is so pretty. Maybe you could use it as a coffee table as well. So next up I got these planters, which were the set of 3, and it was for rupees 450. Next I also got these bells, and I will be hanging it in my balcony garden, and this was for rupees 70. So guys, along with these pots, I also got few plants like jade plant, marigold, bougainvillea, jasmine, etc. from the nursery, which was very close to this market which I visited, and hopefully I will be doing a full tour of my balcony garden pretty soon. So yeah, please stay tuned, and hope you guys like this haul of mine, and hope to see you next time soon. Bye bye and take care.